Another month is over and one more challenge is done. This was the simulation challenge. Goal was to write a book and to get it published in 30 days. I've done my part. I've written the book and it's about 150 pages. And I just have to wait and see if anyone wants to publish it. So, how did I do it? First of all, I decided, okay, these topics need to be in the book. And then I set out to find podcasts and other books similar to this one. I read about 25 books and listened to about 100 hours of podcasts. So this was kind of a massive challenge. Then I wrote quotes and ideas down as keywords. I put the keywords on the right topics, started to expand the keywords into text, started to build chapters around the text, and I'm at the check spelling right now, but I'm not spending too much time on that one because I guess the publisher will do that. So I decided to write the book as we actually do live in a simulation. It's more fun to write this way. It's not really about what I think, but this is just a way more fun. It's way more fun for the reader as well. So I based it on the Boström trilemma. I spoke about that a couple of weeks ago. And the main three parts of this book is the number one, that people or all civilization throughout the universe will go extinct before we actually reach the age where we can simulate something that you cannot differentiate from reality. So I had to look at what threats are there to kill us. So I based the chapters on, okay, what could actually kill us before we reach this. Then the reasons to simulate, because the number 2 point in the Boström trilemma was that we actually reached this age, but we decided not to. So I listed every reason I could possibly find that we would actually do simulate this. And the third one, we reach this age, and that's what I based it on. We do reach this age, and I speak a lot about the more or less the Drake equation and the Fermi paradox. That there should be a lot of civilizations out there, and even if it's not us humans to do it, that's just the numbers just pointing to this one. And then I tried to explain this to people in my surroundings, and all of the problems that I found, like, okay, how about the data? How about this? How about this? And I tried to find an answer for everything, and I wrote down those answers. So what problems do we face if we want to simulate a reality? And then the big one, how could we, or could we ever find out if we're in the simulation? So I actually found a couple of ways that people are trying to do this, and I summarized these in the book. And then the last thing is, okay, what does it mean we actually do live in a simulation? So, what now? So that's more or less the book. It's about 150 pages, and I tried to write it as easy as I possibly could, even if there's like astrophysics in it. It's just everyone can understand it. So I really hope that you will pick up a copy if it ever gets published. And if it doesn't, I just make a PDF file out of it and put it out there so you can read it. We'll just see what happens. Thank you for watching.